In today's video, I will teach you how to create multicolor eyes using Photopea. Let's get started. First, launch Photopea, then go to File, then Open to load your image. Now use the Zoom tool or press Ctrl+ to zoom in on the eyes of the subject for better precision. Now go to the toolbar and choose the elliptical marquee tool, or simply press M on your keyboard. Then drag around one of the irises to create a selection, and you can hold the Shift key while dragging to maintain a perfect circle if needed. Now go to the Layers panel and click the New Layer button at the bottom. This ensures the multicolor effect doesn't directly alter the original image. Now go to the toolbar, then choose Gradient, then pick a vibrant and multicolor gradient and customize the colors if needed by clicking on the color stops. You can use click and drag to fill the selection with gradient. In the Layers panel, change the blending mode of the gradient layer to Overlay, Soft Light, or Color, depending on your desired effect. Now add a layer mask to the gradient layer by clicking the Add Layer Mask button at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then select the Brush tool or simply press B on your keyboard and use a soft round brush with black as the foreground color. Then paint around the edges of the eyes on the mask to clean up any gradient spills outside the iris. Now lower the opacity of the gradient layer to make the effect look more natural if needed. If you worked only on one eye, duplicate the gradient layer and adjust its position to match the second iris. And once you're satisfied, you can now save your work by going to File, then Export As, and choose a preferred file format like JPEG or PNG to save your work. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.